Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good whatever time it is where you are at this point in time, and you're welcome back to this platform where we talk about business, networking, cryptocurrencies. Today, we're going to look at the fear and index, greed and fear index, or fear and greed index, and how you can apply it while you trade or maybe invest in cryptocurrency. I've known about this tool for a while now, but I've never really applied it until recently that I really realized this is cool tool for everyone out there who is a crypto trader to uh, pay attention to. So if say you are someone who want to come in, get out, this tool is gonna be cool for you. But before we dive into what we have for today, those of you who are joining this channel for the first time, consider subscribing to this platform, hit the bell button, and like this video. When you do that, it helps the channel to reach out to more people who are yet to learn about cryptocurrencies or who are looking for ways to trade sustainably in this space. We are all trying our best to educate anyone out there who want to get into this space. Believe me, crypto is here to stay. So the least we can do is to help so many people out there to get to understand what this is all about. And you see, they come in like the tools that they can use to get started with cryptocurrency. Now, let's just see. We're gonna look also at the entire crypto market to see what's happening in the state of the market, and but we have to focus more on the fear and greed index, how you can use it to apply it while you trade. And much love to all my people out there. Love to you. Thanks so much for always being here with me. Now let's just dive into to see what the actual fear and greed, not Greeks, greed index at this point in time is actually 16 extreme fear. We have yesterday there was extreme fear. Last week there was normal fear. Last month we had a greed. The market was really pumping. So many cryptos were, you know, there was a bull run last month. Yeah, well, we saw different tokens, rising to the top, all time high. Bitcoin also like rise all time high, and we have been experiencing bear market recently. And yeah, what can we do if say, or what can we do to prevent us from being victim of, let me say, yeah, let me use the word victim of the bear market. Now, let me just go to I open a link here. Okay, explain what is cryptocurrency fear and greed index. Okay, it says here that cryptocurrency have gained immense popularity as an investment class, but investors must bear in mind this crypto space is relatively more volatile than stocks or commodities. However, like in other markets, there are tools that can help in getting a broad sense of the direction of crypto prices. One such tool that is popular among crypto investors is the Fear and Greed Index. The index is similar to the stock market Fear and Greed Index, which Investopedia suggests was which, Investopedia suggests was created by CN and Money to measure the two primary emotions that influence investors' market decisions. The crypto index, which is currently only for Bitcoin, captures bearish and bullish trend by gauging investor sentiment for the coin. As the name suggests, the market trend is identified based on two emotions, fear and greed. The reason why you see they use Bitcoin more is because with Bitcoin it is more easier for them to track because there's a lot of data when it comes to Bitcoin. Bitcoin has so much data that, I mean, almost a decade that Facebook has been around. Not Facebook, Bitcoin. What am I talking about? if that Bitcoin has been around, and they are using this to actually track emotions of traders or those who are investing in this cryptocurrency. And we all know that when Bitcoin is actually going down, um, other altcoin might follow, and if Bitcoin is going up, other altcoin might follow. So we see that there was a drastic fall of the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum. These are major cryptos, and when they are falling, we are gonna see other altcoins falling as well with them. And this has to do with the fear and greed index. We see so many people use in this crypto space are using this fear and greed index, and this is a tool. If say you see everyone using this tool, it means there are people who are just there watching to sell, buy, and we're going to talk more on the buy and sell aspect of this fear and greed index. uh, Alternative.me, a website that provides statistics and lists various software and their alternative, designed the fear and greed index to determine the performance of crypto assets. While the index is currently applicable only to Bitcoin, other cryptos are expected to be added soon. Alternative.me explain the crypto market behavior is very emotional. People tend to get greedy when the market is rising, which result in FOMO, like fear of missing out. Also, people often sell their coins in the irrational reaction of seeing red numbers. With our fear and greed index, we try to save you from your own emotional overreactions. How does it work? Now let's look at how it works. The fear and greed index is on a scale of one to 0 to 100, where 0 represent extreme fear and 100 represent extreme greed. A score of 50 represent neutral, where the investor are neither greedy nor fearful. In a blog, Alternative.me laid out the two assumptions around investor sentiment. If investors are becoming too fearful, then it could be a good buying opportunity. And if they are too greedy, the market may be due for a correction. The market's always correct. There's always a correction in every market, be it commodities, stocks. You know, there's a correction. When the price goes so up, there will be correction for the price to come back down. Maybe we test the previous support level. Now, the sentiment in analysis in analyzed the sentiment is analyzed based on data from five sources. All of them are valued the same the day the day before to represent meaningful progress. This is it is a daily something that they do for like every day to make sure they have like accurate data daily based on these different factors like volatility, market momentum, social media dominance, trends, and these are the tools that they use. I'm not gonna go through all this because it's not too much. You can go through yourself. Go to this website cnbctv18.com, and you're gonna get, or you can go to alternative.me to get this whole article about the fear and greed index. This is really important for those of you who are investing in crypto for the long term, especially those who don't have enough capital to, like, enough, not capital, let me not use capital, enough cash at the side to buy the dip. Always buy the dip, because there's this DCA. When the market is going down, you DCA, but before you DCA, you must have make some profits, take out some profit. And to know that you have to take out profit is when you will realize there's extreme greed in the market. When there's extreme greed in the market, then you start putting out some profit. Like in this case, you see this. Let me show you guys something. Like, yeah, okay, last month it was 71, yeah, right, 71 greed. So if you saw this like greed, you would have taken some profits while waiting for the market to pull back. When you see greed here, like this, investors want to get out profits, because they know the sentiment of human beings, those who are coming in new in the space, who want to sell their positions to drive the price more downward, for them to buy at a more cheaper rate to make more money. That's why it is advisable for people to with diamond hands, if you don't understand this market, don't rush to sell when prices are going down. Make sure you invest in in accurate or proper project, or let me say sustainable project that will be here for a long period of time, or they're going to be here for forever. And once you get in and you want to, yeah, like be in a safe environment, you can use this tool as well. Since the market always goes up and down, this happens every day, or not like every day, every month, or every week or every day when there's really like a high trend, or if the market is really high, you will see a pullback, and investors will be looking at the right time to buy again, to the project. So make sure you look at this whenever you are investing in this. Hi Rakesh Kumar. You are asking who am I? You want to know who I am? I'm the Betong. And who are you, Rakesh? Tell me where you're coming from, or where you are writing from. I guess that's from India, right? As India name, I guess. So, okay, now let's look at the entire crypto market to see what's happening. Crypto bubble, yes, the entire market is in blood. This is blood, DeFi is still doing good. Matic is still doing good. Luna is doing good. The rest is in blood, right? And exactly what I showed you guys here, the fear and greed index, is this is the moment for you to DCA. If say you have some cash aside, either for like you should buy now more than you selling, right? Selling now is not gonna do you any good because all the markets are down. Selling now, you'll be taking a useless loss, for no good reasons. So make sure you instead look for ways to buy, or you just hold without buying anything. Just hold, and when next you are faced with when next you are faced with another bull run, you can apply the fear and greed index, like I showed you guys here. When you see extreme fear, it means you have to buy. When you see extreme greed, it's time to sell. Like last month, there was greed. Last week, fear. If you sold, like got out on profit last week, you would have been in a good position right now to buy back in. So this is the purpose of this indicator, for you to sell high and buy cheap, you know so you're not gonna miss out. And if say you understand how the market moves, it's like up, down, up, down, up. So the market always move up. I mean, it's the upward trend, but it move up, then it will test back where the bottom where it came from. So you should always be aware of that. And once you have made some profit, mind you, when you get the profit, the market will always come back to that level where it started, to retest it. And because new investors have come in, and the old investor want to get profit, and once they get profit, then there will be a level where, okay, now they'll say, okay, since there are new investors and they believe in this price, they don't want to come like sell, so let's buy now when it's cheap, and see if say more investors will come in to judge the price high. It's more of a mindset game, guys. So once you understand the game, it will be easier for you to get started with it. And if say you have any questions regarding to this, make sure you reach out to me, and I'm gonna like, you can comment below, not like directly reach out to me. But if say you want to reach out to me, my social link is at the description of this video. You can go get there, connect with me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. We can share ideas, or you can tell me how you want me to be part of your journey, your crypto journey. And let's look at crypto. The price of Bitcoin, is actually holding and trying to recover after the dip. Ethereum is actually doing good. For the past 7 days, Ethereum has been down just 14%. Let me look at Bitcoin dominance now. Bitcoin dominance is how much? How many percent? 40%. It's not too much. Before it was 44%. It means Ethereum is closing down a little bit. It's still closing down. Bitcoin has been down 15%. Ethereum is not really that down for the past 7 days, just 4%. BNB also is not really that down with the past 7 days, just for 7%. Solana is for the past 7 days just 8%. Cardano is actually really down. It's trading at $36. 1.36, $1.36. And XRP is also down 19%. What a buy opportunity for XRP. This is a really cool buy opportunity. Guys, the market is red. Crypto.com has gone back to 15 position. Polygon is actually doing good recently. Polygon has overthrown Crypto.com, and I think Crypto.com is gonna get to this position anytime soon. Avalanche is actually doing good too. Dogecoin is down for 19% as well. Well, guys, the entire market is really down, and as you can see from this crypto bubble, everything is down, and now is the time for you to, get in and get some cheap crypto at discount prices. So, guys, I think this is all I have for you today. Not much. For those of you who are holding fake, diamond hands, keep holding. Fake is our baby. Let's look at the fake price actually before we go. How can I go without looking at the fake price? Okay, there is also a recovery here. We see a huge dip. Yeah, wow, this dip, it was really, really cool. I love it because some people took advantage of it and bought here. Now they are making some profits already. So they all consider buying, the dip rather than you selling the dip. It's not sustainable. If say you wake up someday and you find the market really down, don't sell. Just hold it. I mean, if say you have vision for this project in the long run, then hold it. Look for ways to buy more instead, right? And we all know where Fed will be in 2 to 3 years to come, right? It's gonna be mainstream, top crypto in the world. So, yeah, if say you are selling now, that means you are not yet ready to like take advantage of opportunities in this space. However, I won't force you or make you to buy. Remember, you have to do your own due diligence. All I'm doing here is not like financial advice. It's just for entertainment purpose only. And make sure you be safe. Don't say the Betong says I should buy this crypto and I bought it. That's why I didn't make money. All right, guys. I think this is all for now. Tomorrow is another day. Let's see how the market will be tomorrow. If say you are still watching now and you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, thumb up. Let's push the channel, the video to reach out to more people out there. Okay, guys. See you and wish you all the best. Bye bye.